I love the fact dito, ayoko, hindi ako masyadong maano sa mga tao because I'm really blunt. I don't know if people, I don't care if people don't like me kasi diretso talaga akong tao, wala akong pakialam na tao. But then, this is me. You get what you see. Ganun ako, hindi talaga ako yung I'll kiss her ass or something anyway. Ano yan? But with them, I love them. Nung nakilala ko sila. And here in Japan, iba kasi di ba yung mundo? And then people forget, you know, spiritual, you know, your spiritual thing with which is important. Tapos, they are here. Parang all of a sudden, may mga katulad na nila. Hindi kasi pero hindi po kasi nila. Di ba ate, when tayo, before when we met each other, wala pang galito. Di ba rin? Kanya-kanya tayo eh. Buhay mo, kung nasa, ano yung status, I mean, yung job mo, yun lang ikaw. Kasi dito sa Japan kasi, you are defined, ano yung job mo, not you as a person. If you're doing good with your job, and sometimes, especially respect comes, kung magkano you can bring sa bahay ninyo. Tapos kasi dito with you, nakita ko kasi sila ni Pastor Gab, for free, they're helping people. And then yung mga tao dito, sometimes, the more they earn money, they tend to forget kung sino sila. And then pag halimbawa wala na silang pera, doon lang sila hahanap ng mga katulad ni La Pastora. Do you have an experience na, syempre kasi tao lang kayo eh, I know may ganun ka experience na may humingi ng tulong sa inyo, and then tutulungan ninyo, tapos okay na yung tao, and then forget about God and even you. Kasi parang ang hirap nung gano'n, tumutulong ka ng tumutulong, tapos yung tinutulungan mo naman pala. Diba, ang iba kasi yung sa kanila, kasi walang kapalit na pera.
Ay, walang bayad yan eh. Sinabi ni Casey. So I'm very flattered, I'm very happy naman. So with humility, sa maraming tinulungan, alam naman ni Lord yun. I don't want to say
Isa-isa yung family.
but we only commit everything to God. Whatever yung mga tao na nakasama namin in the past, now, and darating pa.
Ilang years na nga ulit Pastora here in Japan?
Since dito nag-start kami ng 2012-13. Tumira kami dito 2017. Pero yung 13, 14, 15, 16, kami mission kami. Kaya so many people encountered, a lot of people, a lot of helps, a lot of yung love na naibigay namin, tulong lahat. So lahat yung ginawa namin without anything, asking for any return, no. So we did that because I think kung wala kang lang sa Panginoon, hindi mo nagawa. Kasi you cannot give what you don't have. So napakahirap. And you cannot share anything experience if you don't have that experience in your own. Yung totoo ha.
Yeah, need mo that one, but you cannot give what you have not got.
Napakahirap po. Kaya yung ginawa namin, whatever yung ginawa namin na maganda, mabuti, so we offer that to God. So whatever happened to the people na tinulungan namin, sana lang ang prayer namin, maging okay sila. At magpatuloy sila sa Panginoon. Isip nila sila. Kahit hindi nila kami maalala, but kung maalala nila, napakasaya ng puso nila. Kasi tao lang naman tayo. Diba?
Appreciation,
Yung
nakakataba ng
appreciation,
puso.
yes.
No, kahit na hindi na materially, yung Pastora,
Yes.
thank you,
Yung deep, tsaka yung deep respect sa'yo. No? Pero if it didn't happen like that, it's okay. So, it's reality. And we thank God and we ask na lang yung rewards from the Lord. Yun na lang inisip namin.
Yeah, which is,
Whatever you did.
yes, hindi mo ma-imagine kung
Yes.
gaano kalaki yung bibigay ni Lord, whatever it is, di ba?
Totoo yan. But everything, lahat yun, ginawa mo without your self, what they call that? Yung parang talagang binigay mo yun, talagang without anything na naghihintay ka na may mangyayang sa buhay mo. Wala.
May kapalit.
Ginawa na lang namin yun because Para kay Lord talaga.
Kasi, before kasi nakikita ko na talaga sila pastor, sila pastora, si Pastor Gav, na, alam mo yun, they're in the corner, not literally na para maghintay ng mga tao, pero they're doing their thing as a person, as an individual. Tapos, they're always, alam mo yung warmly smiling at you. Tapos, ganun, that's how I see talaga, pastora. And then, yung mga tao din, pag nakikita sila, this is true alam nyo yan, pastor, na when they see them, they don't look at them as tao, but then, alam na naman yung mga nagdadasal, alis na tayo. Alam mo yung gano'n?
Meron gano'n.
Yung gano'n. Kasi ate talagang nakakarinig ako ng ganyan. Parang, bakit sila inaanohan mo, tinatago ako, kasi dadasal na naman yan, tatawagin na naman ako sa ganito.
Mga experience dyan, tinataguan kami. Meron namang iba naman, proud na proud sila. Hi, Pastor! Especially sa Minami.
Pero it's not your loss naman talaga, di ba? Kanila naman talaga. And I know Pastor and Pastora would understand those kind of people.
Yes.
At sa tingin ko, mas naawa kayo to them. Di ba? Kasi instead of getting closer to God, tumatakas pa sila. Imagine mo na lang yung opportunity that Pastor and Pastora is there to pray for you. Tapos lalayo ka. Di ba dapat baliktad, no? Para sana lang ma-enlighten sila to get closer to God.
Tsaka
Sana.
ang bait ni Lord. Kasi talagang nag-reach out kami everywhere. Hindi kami nanginili. Yes. Kasi sabihin ng tao na, bakit dyan si Sister Elisa? Hindi kami, wala ko iniisip na sasabihin ng tao. Hindi importante sa akin sasabihin ng tao Importante sa akin kung ano sasabihin ni Lord sa akin. Kasi sino ba yung mga tao? Mga tao lang sila eh. So I don't mind. As long as na you know your heart and you know what you are doing is talaga naman makakatulong. Yun ang pinaka-goal ko na gusto ko makatulong ako, ma-enlighten sila. Hindi man sa anything, but ma-enlighten sila sa buhay nila. At maging maganda yung pananaw nila sa buhay. Perspective. Yun ang napaka-importante.
Yun yung isang in the morning, di ba, you read the Bible. Tapos isa yun sa parang prayer and affirmation ko na make me an instrument to help others in any way. Kahit sa maliit lang na bagay, hindi naman sobrang fabulous na help. Pero kahit na sa maliit lang na bagay, advice, I used not to include myself to anyone's problem before. Pero ngayon, pag may nangingi sa akin advice, sobrang willing na akong share and help. Dati hindi, sige na. Kasi nga, we talked about this si Casey and me na minsan, when you intrude into something like may nag-away mag-asawa, nag-advise ka na, hiwalayan mo na kasi yan. At the end of the day, ikaw yung masama kasi nga, nagtabalikan sila eh. So talagang you have to be very careful then when giving advice. Kaya dati talaga, hindi ako nakikialam as much as possible. Pero now, yung I ask wisdom from God, kung ano yung masasabi ko lang, yung mag-advise that would glue them closer together. Hindi na yung dati na, kasi nakaano ko pa dyan, wala yung ano yan, di ba? It's easier sabihin yung mga ganun bagay eh. So ikaw, Kids.
Ayun, nasabi ko. Pero kasi, about sa advice kasi, it's ako kasi ate, more on, I don't give advice anymore. Kasi iba-iba tayo naniniwala ko, iba-iba tayo ng stand. May mga tao na, for example, you're struggling in life. And then other people will tell you, look at those people in the Philippines or in Africa, they're hungry, ganyan-ganyan, and you have to be thankful. Pero lagi ko sinasabi na I cannot compare myself to them because they have a different path. And even in the Bible, it was said that only ang mga tao, the path that you're walking, ikaw lang ang pwedeng
Go through that
path, and diba? And your vision is different from your mom, your friends, your family, because God gave you that vision for you to, alam mo yun, to do it. So kung nag-i-struggle ka, even if sa love life mo, sa work mo, ikaw lang yun eh. Siguro ang pwede ko lang sabihin sa mga tao is word of encouragement lang din. Kasi at the end of the day, ang advice natin, tama, di ba, nagkwentuhan tayo ng ganyan, it can be good to them, it can be bad to them, it's how they take it, di ba? At the end of the day nga, alam naman ng mga tao kung ano yung sagot sa mga tanong nila, di ba? So, yun, minsan kinukwento ko na lang din yung mga pinagdaanan ko and how I survive.
Yes.
Kasi ate, siguro ang kailangan lang din minsan ng mga tao is hope, to give them hope na pwede pa to, okay lang to. Yun.
ganda naman.
Si Pastora kasi more on yung when you listen to their problems, are you required or obliged to give an advice? Pastora.
Sa amin ni husband, meron kaming different kinds of ways,
Approach.
approach. Actually, yun lang pag may message mo, you have time. For example, this one, you send a message to people. That's already time. And sometimes people didn't realize na someone or somebody texted you, and then during that message sending to you, meron palang something is happening. So it's a big instrument na to send a message to people, one person, na meron palang something. But in that message, you help them so much. Sometimes people did not realize that. That even a text is something. It means a lot. Ako ganun kasi yung character ko eh. Kapag may nagbigay sa akin ng time, even little time, that's already very important to me.
Precious na talaga.
Precious sa akin yan. Kasi ganun ako eh. Kapag may nag-add sa akin, I give my time. If you give your time, you're giving your life. Sometimes people didn't
Kasi yun ang
understand.
mga bagay na hindi mo mababalik.
Yes.
Time.
No, you cannot get back the time. So kapag ginawa mo yan, that's very important. And like mo yun. For example, you go to your friend's house. You give your time. You're giving your life. So dapat ma-realize natin yun na, ay, people are very important. Kasi pinuntahan niya pa ako sa bahay. Imagine that, but sometimes people didn't realize the significance of
Hindi
the
nila alam
actions
yung
of
value,
people.
no?
Pero behind that, meron palang dapat siyang gawin. Pero inuna ka.
Busy pala siya.
Tama?
Yeah,
It's true.
People, Pastora, sometimes and Casey, di ba? They value help when it comes to it is financial help, but not the advice thing, the visiting thing, the listening,
Yes.
yung mga
Iba-iba.
bagay na hindi monetary, hindi nila masyadong nabavalue. But yun nga, yung time is very precious kasi yun ang hindi mo mababalik. The fact na pinuntahan ka ni Pastora sa bahay, hindi ka man nabigyan ng financial help that you need.
Yes.
Kasi ganto-ganto. But she gave you advice, she gave you what you need, encouragement, inspiration,
Yes.
diba? And of course, the Word of God. Ang value nun, pag alimbawa si Casey nagbigay ng Ichimang, si Pastora nagbigay ng advice, mas na-recognize niya yung Ichimang. Diba? Most of the time, ganun tayong tao, diba? So, sana lang you would know the difference nung money at nung time. Kasi it's very precious because you cannot give it back or you cannot turn back the time.
Yes, napaka-importante. And that is my, one of my principles in life. Time for me is my life. Kaya dapat ang tao ma-realize niya na ang time ng isang tao ay napaka-importante. Lalo na pag binigay mo sa ibang tao. That's very important.
That's part of generosity also. Kasi ang inisip ng tao na generosity, money pa rin.
Oh,
no?
yes, it's not
But
like
giving
that.
your time, your talent,
Yes.
yung advice, yung anything is also a kind of generosity.
Yes.
Hindi lang po pera.
Exactly.
Eh yung sinasabi ng tao, ano ibigay ko? Wala na nga ako makain. Diba? But you can give help, open the door for others, help them cross the street. That's also generosity.
So sometimes we get to the point talaga na kailangan din talagang matulong ng tao.
Yung awareness kasi, hindi nabibili yan eh. Dapat, yun nga, yung sabi nga kanina ni Pastora, yung how you choose, no, in doing things, yung pinag-aaralan, yung binabasa, pinapanood, sinasamahang kaibigan, pwede po tayong mamili. Di ba,
Totoo yan.
Pastora?
Totoo yan.
At saka, ang sarap kayang sumali sa mga church community. Kasi your intentions are good, no? Yung getting you closer to God. So, siguro maganda rin talaga na we choose to be in a community where it would bring us closer to God than sa mga, sa mga ibang bagay na hindi fruitful for us.
Ito lang ate ha, yung parang pansin ko lang din ito. Kasi maganda yung topic natin din ngayon. Like, sabi ko earlier, like, yung respeto minsan ng tao, nakabase sa kung magkano, kung, for example, diba, sa family, kung sino sa mga anak mo ang nagbibigay sa'yo ng mas malaking pera, yung respeto, mas malaki. For example, mas malaki, kunyari, si yung anak mong panganay, konti na lang naibibigay niya, pero si Bunso, madami ang naibibigay niya. Si Bunso, syempre, mas maraming ulam. Diba?
Mas paborito.
May measurement lang.
May ganun yan. Pero, itong si panganay pala, he or she is trying her best, ganyan, di ba? Pero talagang wala eh. Pero yung effort niya, lahat ginagawa niya. Tapos, yun nga, ang kulam ninyo, katiting lang. Pero itong pagod na pagod sa trabaho, ito naman si Gonzo, kunting ano lang, kasi marami na ibibigay kasi kumikita ng maayos, di ba? Feeling ko lang ate, siguro mas maganda kung halimbawa yung mga tao matuto din, paano kang sabihin? Pangit naman sabihin na i-apply ito sa lahat. Kasi minsan talaga, alam mo naman money is power. Pero, minsan, mas, pag halimbawang na-reach mo na yung lahat, dito ka lang sa top, or, for example, us here sa Japan, wala tayo wala tayong mababa, or nasa ano tayo, balance tayo dito, walang mayaman, walang mahirap. So, nakikita natin yung mga mayayaman,
Nagtitrain,
nagbabas, nagtataxi, ganyan. Kung meron lang jeep sila, diba, wala silang
Wala silang
mayaman.
driver, wala
Walang
silang
mayaman
yan.
o mahirap dito. Yun nga, tawag dito, dahil walang ganun dito, nakikita mo din, lalo na kunyari, ikaw, mahilig ka rin magkape-kape kung saan-saan, pumunta kung saan-saan, and with your work ate, di ba, you have met a lot of wealthy people, which is sometimes those people who are really wealthy, they are the most kind people na makikilala ninyo. Kasi, di ba sa Sora before, sa mga mahihirap sa sabi ng mga salbahian, kasi mayayaman. That's not true po. That's not true po. Kasi po, the mga wealthy people, there are, yung mga pag sinabi mo mga born with a silver spoon, sila yung sobrang down to earth. And pag sinamahan mo sila, what can you offer them? Wala, di ba? But your authenticity na lang. Yung efforts mo, yung kindness mo, yung time. Yung time, nabibigyan mo sila, na pinaunahan mo sila na, oh, I will live with you, ganyan. Yun yung pinaka, paano ba yun?
Na-appreciate nila.
Na-appreciate nila.
Totoo.
Na minsan tayong mga, ano ba tawag sa atin, hampas lupa.
Wag naman. Mga magaganda.
Ayun po, mga alipin po na malapi. Ayun, sabihin nila na, ay, wala akong may bibigay niya sa simbahan. Pag ako pupunta, wala na akong makain. Saka, sayang yung oras ko. Yung, di ba?
Sometimes, I agree to that. Sometimes yung mga richest people, that's the humble person. Sometimes yung people na hindi naman sila mayaman, just work hard, sometimes they are not humble. I don't know, but I know that kaya minsan masaya ako sa mga tao na nakikita ko yung very successful, lahat na nasa kanila na, but they are still yung kanilang character, super humble. Na-appreciate ko it so much.
Sir, I will, sorry, but let's start with that. I will back up my words. Kasi baka sabihin naman ng mga tao na, oh, ano ba naman yan si Casey, sabi niya lang na mga mahihirap, mga hindi maano. Actually po, kasi ganito yan eh. Based on din experience ko, tsaka sa nakikita ko sa mga tao, it's really hard to be nice and good when you don't have anything to give.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wala ka nang makain, may sakit pa yung anak mo, meron pang nag-scratch sa inyo, kailangan pa ng nanay mo ng ganito, ganyan, tapos yung asawa mo nagloko, how can you be good to someone? Ang hirap ng ganon. But if you have something, at least, bubunot na lang ako ng pera, it's really easy to be good and kind.
Yes.
Pag meron ka.
Pag meron ka talaga. Yun lang naman ang ano.
Ano eh, talaga reality yan.
Reality naman talaga
Real
yun
talk
eh.
talaga.
Kasi baka ang sasabihin ng mga mayayaman din na you have to be nice, you have to be good. It's easy po talaga na maging mabait pag meron kang hawak. Parang diba, alam mo may hawak ka, hindi ka mag-iisip eh. Iisipin mo ba bukas may pagkain ka? Hindi mo iisipin niya. Iisipin mo anong bukas kakainin ko.
Yeah.
Totoo yun eh.
True. Money is good for two things nga daw, no? To make you comfortable and to help people. Kasi pag meron kang pera, you can be creative enough kung ano yung may tutulong mo sa tao. Ngayon, naiintindihan nga, sabi nga ni Casey, naiintindihan din namin yung mga wala din
Yes.
naman kasi nga, ang dami nilang iniisip. But of course, hindi naman pwedeng reason yon para mag-isip kayo na hindi maganda or hindi tumulong, no? Hold on to God. Yun yung hope and faith na sinishare sa atin ngayon ni Pastora na mag-hold on lang tayo sa pangako ni God that He won't let us malugmok sa mga problema at kahirapan. Hold on to God's promises na nandyan talaga siya. So, hindi naman din na pwedeng sabihin na minsan, hindi mo siya maramdaman, di ba? Pero nandyan kasama yun sa pagsubok, kasama yun sa pagiging tao, di ba, Pastora?
Pero alam mo, ito yung last word ko kasi, if I say. Kasi ang tao isa talaga hindi maunawahan. Mahirap mayaman.
Yes.
Mabait, hindi mabait. Alam mo yun? Pero, in all things naman talaga, nasa Matthew 6:33. So, that's the promises of God. Doon lang ako, alam mo, ito yung favorite na verse ko. One of my favorite verse, sa Matthew 6:33. Diba? Seek you first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and
all these
all
things
things
shall be added.
Imagine, all things will be added unto you sa buhay mo.
Hindi ko talaga naintindihan yan noon, Pastora.
Yes.
But now, I know na seek talaga muna si God.
Even me, Miss Lai, Casey, nung maunawaan ko yung Word of God, lahat pala ng kasagutan ng tanong ko nasa Bible. And then yung realization ng buhay, nandun pala lahat. And then, nung naging matured ako sa pagiging Christian ko, sabi ko, ito pala yung verse na kailangan marinig ng tao. Kasi yung promise ni Lord, all things pala, not only one thing. So it follows na pala lahat ng bagay. So dapat pala matutunan ng tao na magkaroon talaga ng totoong relasyon sa Panginoon para maunawaan niya yung babasahin niya sa Bible. Kasi hindi mo maunawaan eh. Kahit magbasa ka na magbasa, hindi maunawaan. Kasi hindi mag-work out. Hindi mag-work out kapag wala kang totoong
If you
relasyon.
don't ask the Spirit talaga na mag-overcome sa'yo, hindi mo maintindihan talaga.
So
yung pinapasok.
from the testing sa buhay ko testimony, in-apply ko yun. And all things talaga. All things. Inad niya sa buhay ko. Yun lang yung secret.
Thank you, Pastora.
So, yun po. Ate, ano na naman? Oras na naman natin.
Yes!
So, solo-solo na naman tayo. So,
Gusto pa namin eh. Gusto pa
ang sarap niyo po talagang kausap. So, actually, this session, I'm very grateful. Kasi lagi ako nasa middle lang. I'm really thankful to have Adeline with me. Kasi aside from my friend, also life coach, and then I have you, spiritual, parang nandito ako.
Kompleto ka na, no?
Actually, as a person, yes, I am. Parang alam mo yung parang, I might not be katulad ng iba dyan na wealthy, but then I am complete here. Here, on my core, at saka sa utang. Kasi ate, importante yan. Wala tayong, ano nang gagawin natin? If we have a lot of money, but we don't have peace of mind.
Yes.
Wala. Yeah, wasted.
That's
Wala
very,
yan.
Lagi na lang tayong lagi na lang tayong magiging lost. And we will always find yung parang ourselves in other people. Forever in search tayo kahit we have a lot of sa bulsa natin. Yung, di ba, parang, and we will not be able to fulfill yung what our hearts desire, kahit na ano pang gawin natin, at kahit sino pang nasa tabi natin, at kahit magkano pa ang makuha natin, from our pocket.
Yes.
Hindi talaga
Have it all.
Yeah, we have it all, but then,
You cannot get.
poor ka pa rin. Sabi nga,
Yes.
di ba, meron nga nagsasalitang ganyan, if you are, di ba, if only money is what you have, then you're the poorest person. Person. Masyadong slang. Person.
Ayun, Pastora. Ayun na, may bang matapos. Pero ano bang last word, Pastora, that you can share to our viewers? Last word.
Last word ulit.
Nakakainis na.
Wow, nakakatuwa, siguro, sabi ko, na I'm very happy to be with you today. At,
It's our pleasure, Pastora.
important thing, yung na-share natin is about yung ating relationship sa Panginoon. Po, that's all matters. At yun ang number one importante sa atin. Kasi, life is short. Sabi nga YOLO, Y-O-L-O, diba? You only live once. So enjoy your life and be happy and fulfill your purpose in this earth. Yun napaka-importante. Without purpose.
Be kind.
Ikaw na yung pinaka-sad. Your life without purpose. You're the saddest person. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Pastora.
Yes, thank you so much.
Ito na po. So paano ba? Till next time.
Papaalam na kami.
Papaalam na po
Thank you so
kami.
much.
Salamat po and for being with us here at Kwento and Kape. So, ano ba? Sabihin natin. Happy summer na pala. Happy first of all.
Next time ulit.
Oo nga. Next time ulit.
Next time
Pastora.
ulit.
Maybe meron tayong part 2. At
Salamat.
siguro ako yung mag-sponsor ako.
Yay!
With my son.
Ayan,
Siya yung
with
mag-ano sa
Brian.
atin. Yan.
Oo, yan. Thank you so
Siya.
much,
Thank you so
Pastora.
much.
We're so grateful, Casey and I, sa iyong sa amin, pag-guest sa aming
Yes.
podcast. And to all our viewers, thank you so much for watching. And we will see you next week. Okay, bye for now.
This is my life. This is my time. I believe.